Alright, SWF. My name is Travis, but you can call me T-Dog. And today I've got a package. And it's from IWTV Store. Or for short, IWTV Store. Well, without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, here's what we have. This is my IWA Mid-South Hardcore Wrestling shirt. It's also available in black if you were to buy this. And the As Seen on IWTV Live t-shirt. Now, as far as I know, they may still be holding the 50% off for this shirt because of the COVID-19 pandemic going on. If you were to buy this shirt, it would probably take 15 to 20 days, maybe even longer, for them to get your order shipped out to you. But it's well worth the wait because, well, it's IWTV, man. And no, I'm not getting paid to talk about this stuff, but, well, that's it. This is another unboxing, unpackaging, whatever you want to call it. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. So long. Alright, SWF, back again with another Smart Mark video unboxing. Without further ado, let's take a look at what we have. Alright, so this is what we have. 5 DVDs. Most of them being Heartland Wrestling Association home video. You know, the wrestling promotion that used to be WWE Developmental back in the late 90s, early 2000s. And another Best of Independent Wrestling Series DVD from Smart Mark Video. So we'll start with that. So the first DVD we have is Forever Unscarred, Best of Nick Mondo from the Best of Independent Wrestling Series that Smart Mark Video does. Next we have HWA Ladies First, Volume 1, Ladies First, Volume 2, God Save the King, more of the best of Nigel McGuinness and the HWA, and the HWA 2003 Flashback Series. In other words, is a best of 2003 compilation. And the Smart Mark Video King of the Indies sticker. So that's it. This has been another Smart Mark Video unboxing, and I'll catch you on the next one. So long.